We will be using several essential Flutter packages. Dio for making HTTP requests to our REST API, Flutter Secure Storage for securely storing authentication tokens, Package Info Plus to access app information, provider for state management, and Google Sign-in to facilitate Google authentication. I will install the Flutter packages using terminal commands. We will use the Flutter pub-add command to add the packages to our project. Open your terminal and navigate to your project with cd command, and you can install the packages with Flutter pub-add command. Repeat this step for each packages you need to install.